Do you know the 7 last words of a business that is dying? The answer is, we've never done it that way before. Okay, with the contraction, it would have been 8 words, but so what? Hi folks, Steve Hammond here from horselessranch.com. Sometimes we get so locked into the way we've done things in the past that we can't imagine how we could do them differently in the future. More often, we're afraid that the change will be too heavy a lift and require too much planning and thought. Think about the checklist it takes to pull off a live event. There's a venue to choose, trying to coordinate room size, availability, lighting, audio, microphones, acoustics, projection screen, promotion, staffing, and a host of other details. Think about a virtual event. You could schedule it for this week or next week because you eliminate most of the headache of a live event. You book a speaker who is good at virtual events. Hint, it's not the same skill set as for a live on stage person. And you're ready to put out the word. I know of events that have happened 2 days after booking a virtual speaker. It depends on your market, but if all you have to do is put out an internal memo, and nowadays that's a text, a chat, or an email, and voila. To find out how to make your next event a virtual one, give me a call, send me a text, or an email. Together we can explore what will help you accomplish your goals. Well, that's it for today. I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel from the link in the comment section below, and like us on our Horseless Ranch Facebook page. Remember, I make folks unfireable.